to Mixed Up Blended. Today we are doing a Bibbidi Bobbidi box. So let's get to it.
It's
That's heavy.
Yeah, that's pretty. Ooh, purple. My favorite color.
Alright. So first things first, this is a Mickey book for autographs and photos. Next, oh geez, okay. Next we have a Winnie the Pooh fun sticker activity book with a bunch of like 3D looking stickers. Oh my goodness. Ay, ay, oh, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to take this out. Oh gosh. Okay, it is a villain's storybook library with Maleficent, a mini Maleficent.
Then have socks.
Lastly, we have, okay, there's a lot of that on, it's, get it off. It's a BB-8 pair of socks. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what's your favorite of this. And there a notification bell by the subscribe button. You should probably click that to see whenever we upload more content. So
And videos.
that's what content is.